Hello, on today's video we'll be making mayonnaise. Mayonnaise serves as the base for a lot of sauces and dips. Welcome to Benedict's table. Without much ado, let's go straight to this video. We'll be using 1 full egg, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of white vinegar, half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar is optional, you can skip it. And not forgetting 1 cup of vegetable oil. You can go in with any oil of your choice, any oil that doesn't have a strong flavor, but do make sure you avoid extra virgin olive oil because it has a very strong flavor. We'll be using our immersion blender to whip this up, and at this point we'll start from whipping at the bottom and then gradually taking it to the top. In just 1 minute, this mayonnaise is ready. Look at how silky and creamy the mayonnaise looks. Nothing beats homemade mayonnaise. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn up your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notification whenever I post a new video. Please let me know how this recipe came out after trying this. I would love to get your feedbacks. Here I'm trying my homemade mayonnaise with my bread. I'm using this as a spread for my bread, and boy, this was delicious. Homemade mayonnaise without any artificial flavoring, without any additives, just purely natural ingredients. See you in my next video.